today's video, I show you how to turn your Canva presentation into a video in just a few minutes. Start by opening your Canva presentation. In the top right corner, click the Share button to access export options. Next, select Download. By default, Canva might show PDA, but for video, scroll down and choose MP4 video. This ensures all your slides and animations are compiled into a smooth video file. Finally, click Download. Canva will process your slides and animations into a single video, which will then save directly to your device. Depending on your presentation size, this may take a few moments. And that's it. Your Canva presentation is now a video ready to share across social media, presentations, or any platform that prefers video content. Experiment with Canva's features to add animations and effects for an even more engaging final product.